Hi everyone, it's NumberFax, and welcome to this tutorial on how to fetch transactions using TONAPI. If you're building on the TON blockchain, TONAPI is your go-to tool for simplifying blockchain interactions with APIs and SDKs. Today we will tackle a super common task: fetching transaction history for a specific address. This is perfect for wallet apps, Explorer, or any project needing transaction date. Let's get started. Setting up. First, you will need an API key. Head to tonapi.io. Setting up it's free and fast. TONAPI's free tier is awesome for testing, so no excuses not to try it. Once you have got your API key, keep it ready, we will use it soon. Let's move on to fetching truth transactions using the REST API. Let's kick things off with the REST API. Great for direct HTTP requests. The endpoint we are using is v2 accounts it transactions. Check the full docs on TONAPI site. But here is a rundown. To grab the last 10 transactions for an address, use a Postman or curl. Here's a curl example. Curl xget https tonapi.io v2 accounts transactions limit 10 hash authorization bearer your APK. Replace your APK with your key and with your target address. This return a JSON array with transaction details, IDs, timestamps, amounts, you name it. Parse it in your app and you're golden. Want to integrate this into code? Let's check out the SDK next. Using the SDK. For Python or JavaScript devs, TONAPI's SDKs are a game changer, really. Let's use Python as an example. Install it with pip. Pip install Python API. Here is a quick script to fetch transactions. From pTONAPI, import TONAPI, TONAPI, APK, your APK, account it, hello, transactions, TONAPI, account get transactions, account it, limit 10. For TX in transactions, print TX. This sets up the TONAPI client, targets, and address, and pulls the last 10 transactions. Loop through them and use the date however you need. JavaScript works similarly. Check the docs for details. Handling pagination. Need more than 10 transactions? TONAPI uses pagination with the before LT parameter. Grab the LT logical time from your last transaction and fetch the next batch. Here is how in Python. Last LT transactions -1 LT. Next transactions TONAPI account get transactions account it, limit 10 before LT, last LT. Loop this process to get everything. It's simple but essential for complete histories. Error handling and best practice. Now let's make your app bulletproof. TONAPI's free tier has rate limits, so you might hit a 429 error if you send too many requests. And retro logic to handle this. Python's time sleep works great. Also check for 401 errors if your APK is invalid. Wrap your code in a try except block like this. Try. Transactions, TONAPI account gets transactions, account it, limit 10, exception or SE, print, oops, error, A. Pro tip. Cache transaction date locally to reduce API calls and speed things up. This keeps your app snappy and avoids hitting rate limits. Check TONAPI's docs for more error codes and tips. Conclusion. That's it. We have mastered fetching transactions with TONAPI's REST API and SDK. This is just a taste. Explore Jetons, NFTs and more in the docs. Loved this? Using my referral link in descriptions to sign up for TONAPI. Thanks for watching, happy coding, Number Fox was with you.